Welcome to QuickMechs. In this tutorial, we'll show you how Instant Mechanic works and how to start receiving service requests from customers in your area. Once you've successfully completed your registration and received your approval email from QuickMechs, you're ready to begin accepting jobs. To get started each day, log into your QuickMechs account and go to your dashboard. Select Mechanic, then tap on Instant Mechanic. Once you're on the Instant Mechanic dashboard, click the hamburger menu located in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll to the bottom of the menu and select Switch to Instant Mechanic mode. After switching, you'll need to go online to start receiving requests. Simply slide the online toggle to activate your availability. You can also customize your service radius. By default, you'll receive requests within a limited distance. If you're willing to travel farther, click the plus button to increase your coverage area. You can expand your service radius. This means you'll be eligible to receive service requests from customers located anywhere within your selected coverage area. You can also view your previous jobs and earnings at any time. Simply open the hamburger menu and select Request History. Here, you'll be able to see details of all completed jobs, including the service cost, duration, customer location, and your earnings. Now, let's look at how to accept a service request. Once you're online, you'll begin receiving job notifications whenever a customer requests assistance within your service area. Each request will display important information, including customer location, vehicle type, vehicle issue, estimated service cost. When a request comes in, you have two options. You can either accept the customer's offered price or submit your own price using one of the available pricing options. If you decide to send your own offer, the customer will receive a notification with your proposed price. Once the customer accepts your offer and completes payment, you'll receive a confirmation notification. Your screen will then display the Start Ride button. Tap Start Ride when you're on your way to the customer's location. This allows the customer to track your progress and know you're coming. When you arrive and begin working on the vehicle, tap Start Repair. This lets the system know the repair has officially started. Once you've completed the repair, tap Complete Repair. You'll then have the opportunity to rate the customer and provide feedback on the service experience. After the job has been successfully completed, your earnings will be processed and added to your QuickMechs wallet. And that's it. That's how Instant Mechanic works on QuickMechs. Stay online, respond quickly to requests, deliver great service, and grow your business with customers who need reliable automotive assistance anytime, anywhere.